Today we're going to make an overly complicated Blueberry Infused Manhattan. We'll be using a Bourbon, Sweet Vermouth, Angostura bitters, Cherrywood bitters, SALINE solution, and a Blueberry Compote. Let's start with our mason jar and 1.5 ounces of Blueberry Compote. Now we're going to pour 5 ounces of bourbon over our blueberries. This is for 2 cocktails. Now into its bath for 3 hours at 60 degrees Celsius. There will be a little pressure built up, so release it gently. I'm using my fine mesh coffee strainer. We're going to strain it twice. Once, it'll come out very quickly. The second time, we're going to pour it back over the fruit, so it's going to clarify itself using the fruit. You can see at this point it is very dark. Now for our second strain, you'll see it start dripping down much slower. After 4 hours, this is what we're left with. Let's start by chilling our coupe glass. We've waited long enough, let's make a cocktail. I'm going to put about 6 cubes into my mixing glass, and we're going to stir for 20 seconds. I'll be straining using my Hawthorne strainer. Look at how vibrant and beautiful this color is. You're left with something that tastes like blueberry, has a hint of sweetness, and is perfectly balanced.